If you're trying to find out why did your swimming pool water turn brown, this video should help you. Because there's really only two reasons and two ways that this could happen, and one of them is going to be very easy to tell. Is your swimming pool filled with leaves? Are there just like garbage bags of rotting leaves in your swimming pool? If so, then the answer for the brown water in your pool is tannins from leaves. Even a moderate amount of leaves would be enough to leach enough tannins into the water to cause some localized staining. Like, probably not systemic throughout the entire body of the swimming pool water itself, but, an appreciable amount of yellow staining can come from organic material in leaves. But aside from the situation where you've got garbage bags full of rotting leaves sitting on the bottom of your pool, wondering, hey, how did my pool water turn brown? We must be talking about a situation here where you've added some sanitizer or oxidizer to the pool, like chlorine, for example, and the water turned brown, like right in front of your eyes. Or the next morning when you came out, you're like, what the heck? There's brown everywhere in the pool. What's going on? And this can be true whether that brown is like just sitting there and it brushes and goes away, or it's like a stain, like brown staining that does not brush off. In both of those situations, the culprit is very likely to come down to iron. Iron in your water, it's not supposed to be there. The when we test pool water, the acceptable level of metals like iron in your pool water is 0 parts per million. So exactly none. But there's times you can end up with water or iron in your water. Most commonly, this is going to be from a rural water supply like a well. If you have a well and you're filling up your swimming pool with that well, very likely you're adding iron to the pool. And you should endeavor to take a sample of your source water and go and have it tested and see just how much iron is in this water. Because iron and other metals in pools in general are one of the more difficult problems to deal with. Like a lot of other stuff in pools, a lot of other stuff can be solved by saying, just add more chlorine. You'd be surprised how many problems that solves. This is not one of them. In fact, adding the chlorine, as you saw, sometimes can just make the water turn brown right in front of your eyes. That's rust. That's corrosion of the iron in your pool. When you see it turn brown throughout the water, that's iron that is just like in suspension in the water. And the stains, when you see staining, that's iron which has precipitated out of the water and is now like stuck to a surface, and then it's corroding. So that's what you're seeing there. And the good news is that you can fix this. There are solutions to this, even if you have like white plastic steps and they're just stained like coffee brown, and you rub it as hard as you can and it stain doesn't come off at all. When you get the right chemical and use it here, which is going to be like an iron out or a stain remover, or even vitamin C, ascorbic acid, when you rub it on there, without effort, it will lift the stain. When you're using the right product, that stain will just go away as it takes all of that iron and brings it back into suspension in the water. And from here, there's options like you can chelate the iron, you can sequester the iron. These are technical terms for chemical approaches that we can deal with this iron. We can get it out of the pool. That's one of the options. We can flock it and get rid of this iron, or we can try to keep the iron in the pool, but we can kind of like protect the iron from everything else such that it's not going to ruin all the chlorine that you're adding. It's not going to be bonding onto surfaces and causing stains. Like, ultimately, the best would be to not have it in the pool water. If you can get rid of it, that's the way to do it. And even better, if you can find where the iron's coming from and stop putting it in your pool, even better, because you can get into a bunch of different treatments here in this long-term thing where you're chasing your tail and your pool water doesn't look good, but you keep having to add water to your pool. And if your source water sucks, then you're just going to have a problem here over and over again. And pools that you fill with a well that have a very high iron content, it's often just the lesser of two evils to pay for a water truck to periodically bring you a higher quality water for your pool. Maybe direct some rainwater into the pool or something like that for top-ups, but just try to avoid the iron or the iron-laden source water, because once it's in your pool, it's kind of a problem. And it's not really easy for how to deal with it. It's not really clear. It's one of the more complex subjects that I have to talk about and explain to pool owners. I'm not it's one of my least favorite to try to explain when somebody comes to me like with a problem like this and how do I deal with it. Deal with it by not letting the iron get in your pool. That's honestly, at the end of the day, that's your best option. If there's any way that you can make that happen, that's how to do it. If you got it in there, you're going to have to use a metal treatment process. Like Jack's Magic makes some really good ones. I think Natural Chemistry does as well. But it's some sort of metal sequestering or iron out or a chelating product that's going to enable you to protect that iron from, like the chlorine sanitizer in your pool causing corrosion and turning all of your water brown. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.